Well, somebody came by, knocked on the door, and he came in, sat at the table, and it explained everything about the windows. Very well. He was informative, he was congenial, friendly, he didn't push you, and he gave you the chance to make your own decision. Very quick, clean, neat, no fooling around. They put that window in, they worked from the front, they worked from the inside, from the outside. On both windows, they caulked it, they cleaned them, they sponged it off and wiped everything off on it, the windowsills and all. And I mean, they really worked, they cleaned up beautifully outside. And when they left, everything went, they took everything. It was as clean as, I think it's cleaner out there now than it was before they got here. Yes, as a matter of fact, my neighbor upstairs, she's a tenant, and her sister owns the condo, and the sister is talking about new windows.
Worry-proof, choose the man with two.